Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can screen record Windows 10 or Windows 11 using Xbox Game Bar. Xbox Game Bar is an inbuilt tool provided by Microsoft, and it allows you to record your screen on Windows 11 or Windows 10, whether to show off your gameplay sessions, demonstrate your work, or create a tutorial. Although there are many third-party tools on Windows which do much better screen recording, Xbox Game Bar is good enough if all you need to record is just an app. The only drawback is that it cannot record the Windows user interface, including the Start menu, notification bar, and Windows Explorer. Basically, it cannot record the entire screen of Windows. Recording your screen using Xbox Game Bar is very straightforward. So you're going to open up the app on which you want to record your screen. In my case, I will open up Windows Terminal. Now you're going to press Windows key, Alt key, and R key to launch the recorder. And a widget will pop up indicating that the screen recording has started. On the small widget that runs on top of your app, you can click the microphone button to mute or unmute the audio. And now you can record the things that you need to record. So I'll just type some commands here. And to stop the recording, it's again the same keystroke, which is Windows key, Alt key, and R key. And clicking on the game clip recorded alert that pops up will take you to the screen records repository in the Xbox Game Bar. Here you can play them or delete them or open the file location, or you can change the name of the file. So this is how you screen record an app in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope you liked this video. For more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel.